This is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I am doing an unboxing of something that I never really see people buying, and that is a Peachy, let me see what it is. Peachy Cheap deal. The way Peachy Cheap works is, I follow them on Instagram, and I will link it down below in the description box. There's two. There's Peachy Deals and Peachy Planner Deals. And how it works is, Monday through Friday, every day, they post one deal. And it could be anything from a big group of ephemera packages. I think it was last week, they had glitter glue or ink pads. Or what I have right here, which is paper pad. It's like a little kit, and it's cheaper. So what I have here, I believe, was listed as total price $42, but I got it for $14.99, something like that. So Monday through Friday, every single day, they list a deal, and when the deal's gone, it's gone. They have a certain amount. When it's gone, it's gone. Saturday and Sunday for the weekend, they do one deal for the weekend. When it's gone, it's gone. Then the next day, they post a new deal. That's how it works. It's Peachy Deals, Peachy Planner Deals. I never see anybody talking about them, so I wanted to show you what I got. I got a Simple Stories package here. Now, this is not the first time I've ordered from them. I actually ordered from them before, and it was in September of last year, and it was a Simple Stories Halloween kit. So what I got now is the Simple Stories Homegrown. This one is the 6x8 paper pad. Let me get out my blade and open it up. Now, I know for a fact I paid $14.99 and then shipping for this deal. So that's how much I paid for it. And here's the paper pad. I love a good farm and like homegrown and recipe paper pad. I don't know about you guys, but love it. And I've been wanting to get more 6x8 and 6x6 and 8x8 paper pads because you can use them for so many different things that you don't need a 12x12 for. Okay, so this is the paper pad, and then it repeats. So I got the 6x8 paper pad from Simple Stories Homegrown. I also got the puffy stickers, okay, the foam puffy stickers. So this is what we got here. Okay, and then next we have the ephemera. It is the bits and pieces. Let's take them out and look at them. I love it. We'll do that last. Okay, what else? And then the journal bits. Okay. And then last, put this away, is 3 things of washi tape. I mean, look how cute that cow print washi tape is. So I got the 3 rolls of washi tape, the journal bits, the bits and pieces, the foam stickers, and the 6x8 paper pad, and it was $14.99 for their deal and then shipping. And I think the total was 19 something, and I got it within a week. Okay, so that's how Peachy Deals works. They also, like I said, have a Peachy Planner Deals, and when you go on there, you follow them on Instagram. They post every day their deal for the day. They post it on their page, and they post it in their stories, and you can go in when you see it and you just want something you like, go in and get it. I wanted a gnome one the other day, and it was gone before I could get it. So that's what this is. Let's look at the bits and pieces, because I need more ephemera, like I need a hole in the head. But I mean, come on, who doesn't love a good ephemera pack? Right? Who doesn't need a good ephemera pack? And look how cute that barn is. Look how cute that is. I love a good ephemera, especially when it comes to this kind of farm recipe. Look at that little jelly jar. Chicken coop. I mean, they're just so cute, and you get so much in these packs. Okay, so that and the journal bits. But yes, check them out. If you're on Instagram, you follow them on Instagram. And like I said, they post every day. And I never hear anybody talking about them. Look at that cute little embroidered heart, the cross stitch heart. So yeah, go follow them. See what kind of deals they have, and yeah, this is just a quick video to let you know what Peachy Planner Deals is and Peachy Deals is. And thanks for watching. You have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that, and you have a great day.